See
I'll
now.
give it to Frank. Come on. You want to bite? I do. See, she's got to feel confident. She's got to do it slowly. I'm not going to jump on you. That's why I'm getting down lower. Come on, push.
Oh, you keep pushing it back.
Bring it closer. Come on, bring it closer. That's
I got it on the rug. Good girl.
2, 3.